Harare City Council has deployed 3 fire tenders to battle a raging inferno at Magaba complex in Bari, one of the largest hubs of informal economic activity in the capital. Sabina mashikobudani kupango chinzi fire outbreak at Magaba complex. Subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina munamodani chinzi. In a statement issued early Friday morning, the local authority said the emergency help group had stepped in with additional water tankers to assist firefighters working to contain the blaze. 3 firefighter tankers have been deployed to fight the fire, the council said in a brief statement posted on its social media platforms. To avoid a situation where our fire tenders have to be driven back to the fire station to fetch more water, the emergency help group provided tankers of water. Magaba complex, located in the densely populated suburb of Bari, is home to hundreds of informal metal fabricators, mechanics, carpenters, and traders. Commonly associated with the CSO and surrounding markets, the area supplies furniture, gates, coffins, vehicle parts, and other goods to customers across the country. The complex has been vulnerable to fire outbreaks due to use of flammable materials, welding equipment, electrical connections, and absence of formal infrastructure such as hydrants and proper fire breaks. Harare has experienced a series of destructive market fires over the years, with informal trading spaces particularly affected. Previous inferno at Musika, Glenview Area 8 Furniture Market, and part of CSO have left traders counting heavy losses, often running into thousands of dollars. In many cases, investigations have pointed to electrical faults, unattended stoves, welding sparks, and overcrowded structures as possible causes, though some incidents have sparked allegations of arson. The lack of adequate firefighting infrastructure and water shortages in parts of the city have frequently hampered emergency response efforts. Tomba developments are kubuda panguva ino ipenda comment section yedu dzafundo aimo tudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.